Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change DNS settings in Brave Browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave Browser on your computer. Once it loads up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines there, which is the menu icon. Click on those three lines, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This takes you to the main configuration area where you can customize how Brave works. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. From there, click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the important settings related to how Brave handles your data and protects your browsing activity. It's where you'll find various security features and privacy controls. Now, within the Privacy and Security section, click on Security. This opens up a dedicated area focused specifically on security features. Here you'll find options that help protect you from dangerous sites, manage how Brave handles potentially harmful downloads, and configure your DNS settings. Next, look for the option labeled Use Secure DNS. This is the feature that allows you to encrypt your DNS queries and choose a specific DNS provider. By default, this might be turned off, so you'll need to enable it. Go ahead and toggle it on. Turning this on means your DNS requests will be encrypted, which adds an extra layer of privacy when you're browsing the web. Once you've toggled that on, you'll notice another option appears right below it. This is where you can select your preferred DNS provider. Click on the drop-down menu right beside it. From this drop-down, you'll see a list of available DNS providers. You can choose from options like Cloudflare, Google, or other custom DNS services. Simply click on the provider you prefer, and Brave will start using that DNS service for all your browsing. And that's it. You've successfully changed the DNS settings in Brave Browser, giving you more control over your privacy and browsing performance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.